This, my friends, is an Audi S5. It's a V8.
It's a V8.
And this young man owns it. Hello, Richard.
Hello.
There's lots of purple, dark bluey goodness going on here. This is a SuperPro bush kit. Explain to these ladies and gentlemen why you've been doing this.
Well, typically these bushes go on these cars anyway because they've got a lot of arms.
Like an octopus.
Like an octopus, yeah. But yeah, basically they were gone, they were perished, and the MOT's due. So the simple answer is, as I could never leave anything well alone, I decided I wasn't going to buy new arms and put them back in. I was going to press all the bushes out and put SuperPro.
I would imagine new arms was going to be silly expensive from VW anyway.
Oh yeah.
I'd
imagine it would have been
TPS.
I would imagine this is the cheaper option for sure. But I've done so to run through. I've done.
Well, let's go. What are they? Where are we here? What's this
So
part?
that's shop bush and lower arm bush.
Shot bush, lower arm bush. What
That's
we got?
also
This.
the second lower arm with caster adjustment.
This is a big boy, ain't it? That. Look at that.
We've done anti-roll bar D bushes, the new drop links.
Yeah. Drop links are plastic.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. And then we've done top arm bushes. I don't know how well you'll see them from up there, but I've already done them and they're already back in the car.
Oh yeah.
Right up there somewhere. Oh yeah. So I've already done them. Yeah, should make a massive difference. There's a little knocking on the suspension basically is what I had. And then when I stuck it on the ramp to have a look for pre-MOT, it was like, yeah, they're like splitting and they need replacing. So
the presses had a little bit of a workout. Did you have to burn some of them out?
No, I didn't actually. All these bushes, unlike when you normally do...
We're doing a lot of Jap stuff, aren't we?
Yeah,
so.
a lot of Jap stuff. You press out what's originally in there and you might have to cut the insert out or burn the bush out and then cut the insert out. With these, they're all inserted, but all the new ones are also inserted as well.
Right.
So it's not like two halves where you just push two halves in.
Yeah.
It's got a metal collar and the poly bush is inside it. So at that point, I've got to press the new ones in, so I might as well press the old ones out.
Yeah.
So I made a couple of little tools to do that.
Because we are a SuperPro dealer, if you didn't know that already. So Richard's had a bargain. He's not paid his bill yet.
Oh, I haven't paid the bill yet.
Yeah. You get
whatever it is, it's minus 50%, isn't it?
Why is that? You're taking up the ramp space.
Oh, do I have to pay for that space?
You have to pay for your ramp, so that's been on that ramp for 2.5. Well, since Saturday.
To be fair, it would have been off the ramp Saturday if the bushes had been right.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so we actually had to have an emergency meeting with SuperPro, who told us that the kit that we'd ordered,
yeah, was wrong.
was wrong. So yeah,
well, bear in mind, if anyone wants to do an S5, if that's what they're
we know exactly what they need.
We know exactly what they need now. Don't order. When you select S5 on the SuperPro website, it comes up with a front end bush kit.
It does.
Now, that is not the kit you want.
Yeah, that's not our fault.
That's not our fault. That's the way that their website's done.
Colin at SuperPro knows.
Yeah.
Because I sent him an essay.
Yeah, so anyway, the bush kit doesn't do that. The top arm bushes fit, but the lower arm bushes don't fit. The S5 are actually bigger bushes and they are further down the listing, so you have to go down and get them.
Oh, I got bigger bushes.
It might help someone else with an S5, that's what I'm saying.
This is what I hit my head on in yesterday's video.
Did you?
Yeah, fucking hell, it didn't half hurt, you know.
Did it ring your bell?
Well, I didn't want to take my hat off because it had gone all warm and fizzy. I'm still getting used to wearing glasses, guys.
Sweeted yourself.
So yeah, I did. I was like, dunk. Oh, I felt like.
The reason that you did that is because you've got a cap on.
Yeah, maybe.
Because you're not looking up, so you're not seeing what's on. You just walk straight into it.
Yeah, well, it did half hurt. It did half hurt.
Woke you up though, didn't it?
I felt it in my lower back. Yeah, That's how hard I hit my head.
I did that on an S2000 once, thought I broke my neck. Like literally, sort of like went to stand up, but like hit it, but it like hit me on the back of the head, so my neck went back like that. And it's like crack, and I'm like, oh, it really hurts. Oh.
I remember when you scalped yourself on this ramp. We're talking about this is the Halloween video.
Yeah,
this is the Halloween video. I remember when you scalped yourself. Basically, I was in the office doing my thing, and I heard, "Oof, Dan," and I came out here and on this ramp. Was it an S2? No, it was an S...
It was a DC5, I think. No, it was a DC2.
A DC2. And the car was about sort of lower than this, about yay height. So Richard was around here and he was leaning into the boot to get something out. Trying to find the lock and wheel nut key. He was leaning into the boot. He pushed the boot up, leaning into the boot, and just as he came away, the boot shut down onto your head, didn't it?
Yeah, I had like an aftermarket spoiler on it, a big spoiler. So my head's forward, and it hit me right on top of the head,
Like
and then
that.
just peeled my skin forward off my scalp.
It scalps him like a red Indian. Yeah, it was. So anyway, I had a look at it.
It was quite funny to watch Dan's legs drop as he had a look.
Yeah, I went a bit wobbly because you know when you're playing golf and you just you've took a bit of divot off out the grass. It was just like that. It just peeled up like that and exposed his what I can only describe as his red skull. And I was like, no, somebody better come and get you because you're going to the hospital and I can't feel my legs. Yeah, I think I was more mortified by that injury than he was. But this is our Halloween video, so there you go. There's a horror story. But yeah, there you go. So that's his S5. He does like it. He does like to do a bit of a burn out in the yard. Don't you, mate?
This don't do a burnout.
Well, it just makes a lot of fucking noise then.
Yeah, it doesn't do a burnout.
A lot of noise.
I can only get to spin the wheels in the snow.
That's because he's German.
You winning?
Right, so there you go. That's that one, guys. Some SuperPro bushes, and they do look very, very nice. And I'm sure he's going to feel an improvement. So if you need any SuperPro bushes, you know where we are, and we will order the correct kit. Yummy.